What's up, my people? How you doing? Welcome back. And to my new subscribers, thank you. Existing subscribers, you know you got my love. All right. Now, all I want to do is do a unboxing for you today. It's going to be a quick, neat unboxing. I was walking around at a Dollar Tree. It was not one I normally go to. It was pretty far out, and I saw something that caught my eye, and I had to get it. Okay, and I saw it. It was only in their techie section, and it was only $1.25. What is that? Well, we're gonna do an unboxing of that item. It's a USB floating humidifier. That's right, an actual floating humidifier. It's amazing how technology has come so far that they can do things such as this. Okay, now here it is. Quick look at that. All right, pretty, ain't it? Quick look at that. There's the back. You need to read some instructions. All right, side. Now, what you're gonna need if you buy one, okay? Not all dog trees have the same thing, so you really got to keep your eyes open. You're gonna need, like, it does not come with the glass container, so you're gonna need a glass container that you could put water in. Kind of like this. Fill it up with water, and now let's take it out so you can see what it looks like. There it is, just like on the box. And it's actually heavier than it looks. So it has components inside of it. Of course, it's waterproof. Now, at the end, you have the USB plug. You can put a socket on the end of this, plug it in anywhere, even take it into your car if you need to. Okay? Now, if you don't know what a humidifier is, I'll give you a brief explanation. Humidifiers are really, really good for putting humidity into the air, especially during the winter time. Okay? And it helps if you have a cold, if you have like sore throat, if you're a person who snores, and there's a lot of ways it helps you. Okay? And what I like about this, not only is it a festive color, okay, if you could feel this, you realize there's components inside. It's actually kind of heavy. Okay, now this product was made from E-Circuit. Okay, that's the brand, and basically it's a good way to test and see if you need a humidifier. Because if it works for you, then you can go and spend your money on getting the more expensive one. But if you don't, why waste your money? So it's pretty cool about that. The only thing I gotta warn you about is if you have animals, cats especially, they're gonna see that as a toy, so you're gonna have to put it up somewhere safe. You know, they will definitely see that as a toy. I'm almost sure dogs too. But yeah, it's a pretty cool little humidifier, and yes, it floats. It'll float on the water. It'll process it through the channels, and then it'll shoot the steam up into the air. All right, that is pretty cool for $1.25. I just wanted to show y'all that, and I wanted to make it brief. Okay, so I guess I'll wrap to y'all later. I ask you to give this video or any of my videos you like a thumbs up. All right, I ask you all be safe out there, and I want to say hello to all my viewers in the United States, to all my viewers in India, as well as all my viewers in the Netherlands. Thank you for watching. Peace out.